Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's always beautiful to be with you guys, and you're welcome. Now, today we are doing the continuation of our discourse on the musculoskeletal system, support system. And the support system is important for everything that we do. Now, we've done a preamble before where we said some things about the support system, and this is the part two of that video where we're going to go on by discussing the different types of skeletons. Now, there are three major types of skeletons. You have the hydrostatic hydroskeleton, then you have the exoskeleton and the endoskeleton. Now, the hydroskeleton is synonymous with animals like the earthworm. It's a skeleton that is sort of made up of fluid. So it helps to give earthworms their shapes and other worms, to not just earthworms, helps to give them their shape. So we call it the hydroskeleton. Now, the next one is the exoskeleton, which is popular among a lot of animals, especially the insects, and is made up from chitin. So it's this support system that covers the animal from the outside. And then with time, we know it molds from time to time, even as the animal gets bigger. So that is your exoskeleton. So there's a hydroskeleton, there's an exoskeleton, and the third most common one that we know is the endoskeleton, which is the kind of skeleton that we know that human beings have, which is made up of bones and is found within the body. Is within the body, acts as a support system to protect all the internal organs of the body. So now you know the three types of skeleton. You have the hydroskeleton, the exoskeleton, and the endoskeleton. The next thing is zeroing down to the endoskeleton of humans. What does it do for humans? What are the things that the endoskeleton does that makes the endoskeleton important? First one is protection. It provides a lot of protection for the internal organs of the body. So you have the heart, the lungs, or the stomach, all those internal organs that are soft organs that can be easily pierced and destroyed are protected by the skeleton. Now we have support too. We're able to walk, we're able to maintain gait, we're able to stand straight, stand upright because we possess this skeleton. So the skeleton helps in support, the skeleton helps in protection, the skeleton helps in movement. We're only able to move from one part to another because as human beings and even animals, we're able to run, we're able to walk, we're able to hop. So these are movements and is due to the fact that there is a skeleton. The next thing is respiration in human beings. The skeleton helps because we have what you call the intercostal muscles that are attached to the skeleton. And the skeleton, part of the skeleton is what we refer to as the rib cage. So you have this movement in or up and out, which helps, to increase the volume in the thoracic cavity and then helps with respiration. So respiration is an important part of what the skeleton does. Also, there's the manufacture of red blood cells. Red blood cells are manufactured in many of the long bones of the skeleton. So this is important. There's also muscle attachment. The skeleton provides places where muscles can attach themselves to. And this is important for movement, important for support, important for every other thing. Lastly, we say shape. Shape is important, and the skeleton helps to give humans the shape that they have. So this brings us to the end of our class today. I hope we have enjoyed and listened to this. Please remember to like our content. Remember to subscribe to our channel and do have a wonderful day. Thank